Are you interested in taking a scrolling screenshot on your iPhone? In this video, we'll demonstrate just that. Capture a screenshot by pressing the side button and the volume up button simultaneously. Then, quickly tap on the preview at the bottom left corner before it disappears. Within the preview, you'll find two options at the top: Screen and Full Page. Tap on Full Page in the top right corner. Note that the full page option will only appear when there is more than one page worth of content on the screen. Furthermore, you can enhance your screenshot by tapping on the plus icon at the bottom right corner. This allows you to add stickers, text, a signature, or shapes. To further customize your screenshot, tap on the crop icon next to Done. This enables you to edit which part of the full page you'd like to save. Once satisfied, tap on the Share icon to either send it as a PDF document or save it to your files. This video is sure to guide you through the process of taking a scrolling screenshot on your iPhone. Don't forget to subscribe to Guiding Tech and check out one of our specially curated videos tailored just for you.